Penny welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and I am super excited because I got my Totally Dazzled shipment today, and I cannot wait to show you the items that I got. If you want to see these beautiful pieces, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have gotten some bling ribbon. This is the silver bling ribbon. Look how brilliant those are. Absolutely gorgeous. I got me a whole roll, y'all. Lots of work to do. And then I got this other one. This is a rose gold. I hope it's reflecting properly in the camera. It's rose gold. I think this is new for them, and I cannot wait to use these. I have so many projects coming up with which I'm going to use the rose gold, because that's the color I'll be going with for the holidays. So yes, a lot of DIYs coming up in rose gold. Absolutely gorgeous. When you go onto the Totally Dazzled website, you'll see that they have mix packs. So you can buy an assortment of brooches and all that beautiful stuff in a pack. It's almost like a sample bag with a lot of different sizes and different kinds of brooches in it. Let me show you this really big one that's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Look at how brilliant that is. Absolutely gorgeous, right? And then I have some that are like the rose gold ones. I also got some of those in silver, which I cannot wait to use. So I got a silver mix pack, and then I got a gold mix pack as well, with a lot of different items. Guys, they also have buckles. I didn't order any buckles at this time, but they have buckles, just different ones with pearls that you can get. So this is like a pearl with gold with pearl. Look how gorgeous that is. Wow. All the little pearls going. And guys, these are not expensive at all. I will definitely be leaving a link below for you to go ahead and check out the items from Totally Dazzled. I mean, it's coming up to the Christmas holidays. These make great gifts. So whether you want to give them as like brooches, or you want to make items with them for, you know, your loved ones, you can do that as well. I will be going crazy with these for this holiday. I also got me some napkin rings, this beautiful set of silver. So elegant and so gorgeous. Guys, when I tell you I'm like a kid in a candy store right now, I could just sit and just play with all these items, try them, look at different looks all night. They also got me these ones for fall with the fall leaves. These are like diamond encrusted, just absolutely beautiful. And they do have these in silver and rose gold as well. But for this fall, I have ordered the gold one. So I'm gonna have a tablescape coming real soon using these beauties right here from Totally Dazzled. that are black suede or black velvet. I've had them for a while, for years. They're pretty old, but I love wearing them because it has the platform in the front that balances perfectly with the heel. The heel is a little bit thick, but it's, you know, curved, and it has the gold piping around it. Really, really love these shoes. They're super comfortable, but they have done their time. So I had actually put it in a bag to go to the Salvation Army, but after I got my package from Totally Dazzled, I was like, heck, I'm not ready to put these shoes away just yet. I can make them, you know, new again. So take a look at what I am going to do with these old shoes. I'm going to restore them and make them look like new again. So what I'll be doing for this is I'll be using my bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, this beautiful, beautiful wrap, as well as two of these flat backs that I got. Let me take it out of the package for you. These two beautiful pieces, absolutely gorgeous. And what I'll be doing is I'll be putting one to the front of my shoe here. I'm going to put the second one to the back, and then I am going to use the mesh wrap and run a line right down to the end of the heel. So using my hot glue gun, I'm just going to take the buckle, put some glue on the back of it, find the center of the shoe, which is right here, and just place it down. And just hold it in until it adheres. And voila, just like that. Now, isn't that simple? So I'm going to take the second piece and do the same thing to the back. I'm going to actually start in the middle where the line is, because I don't want to put it too high, because when you have to put your shoe on, you have to really rely on the top piece, brace it, put your finger in it to get it on your heel. So I'm going to start it down, kind of halfway down the back, like so. And again, just holding it on there until it dries. Perfect. And there you go, the back, the front. And if this isn't enough, I'm going to add some bling wrap. So I'm going to cut my measurement, and I'll come back and show that piece to you with me gluing it to the heel of my shoe. And here they are, all new again and ready to go. Look at that. You best believe these will be on my feet in church on Sunday. Super gorge. Just take a little bit of time and effort and these beautiful gems and bling wrap from Totally Dazzled to give you this cute, simple, beautiful designer look.